If you're planning to backpack through Australia and want to stay connected without the hassle of physical SIM cards, you've probably heard of eSIMs. They're digital SIM cards that make it easy to switch networks and plans, all through your phone. In this video, we're comparing two popular eSIM providers, Sparks and Airalo. We'll break down which service offers better coverage, pricing, and ease of use specifically for Australian backpackers. Airalo is often praised for its affordability and global coverage, making it a great choice for travelers hopping between countries. However, its performance in remote parts of Australia can be a hit or miss. Sparks, on the other hand, focuses on user-friendly activation and competitive pricing. But does it deliver reliable service in Australia's diverse terrain? We'll be testing both eSIMs in real-world conditions, from the bustling cities of Sydney and Melbourne to the more isolated regions of the outback. We'll also be looking at customer support, as unexpected issues can happen while traveling, and quick, effective support is a must if you're a heavy data user, like streaming videos or navigating with maps. You might find yourself running out of data quickly. That's where our partner service eSIM comes in, offering unlimited data packages that can keep you connected no matter where you are in Australia. Check out the link in the description to get started. With unlimited data, you won't have to worry about overages or connectivity issues while exploring Australia's vast landscapes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which eSIM is right for your Australian adventure. Whether you're planning to stick to major cities or venture into the outback, knowing which service to trust with your connectivity is crucial. If you found this comparison helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up.